Guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat. Today is 23rd July 2024. To claim this daily cipher, go to this daily cipher here and click on it. When you click on it, the interface will change. So for today being 23rd July 2024, the Morse code for today is HODL. So the first letter, which is H, is gotten by doing 4 dots. For the O is 3 dashes. Sorry, let's go again for the H. 4 dots. For the O is 3 dashes. Dash. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the H, dash. For the O. For the D is dash, 1 dash and 2 dots. Dash, dot. For the L is dot dash. 1 dot, 1 dash and 2 dots. Dash, dot. For the L. That's it for today's video. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, take the prize here. Ensure you take the prize here as well, and then like this video, subscribe, turn on bell notification and share. Thanks for watching.